As you can see, there is obviously a distortion in the mortal world. Perhaps time is playing a joke for such an impossible phenomenon to occur. Things are getting complicated. You have no idea what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. I haven't introduced myself yet. My name is Lucifer, and boy, do I have a story to tell you. Guess I'll start with what can be called the root of all evil. They are such a pain. What kind of things are those? You're supposed to figure that out for yourself. But I'll give you a freebie. Explaining it in words alone is a bit of a hassle. Their plan to wage war, not only on heaven, but on God, has entered its final stages. How do you know that? Because I helped them. Well, it was me, but not exactly. Don't worry about it. This is a planetary world, so it's something that can't be avoided. Well, let's rewind, since we don't want to stare at this all day. As it is in every era, God has entrusted the future of this era to the Chosen One. I wish God would be more considerate to the person who has to clean up the aftermath. Now, this is where your role as a bystander ends. That doesn't usually happen, no matter what you do. An unseen past is a Pandora's box that will never be opened, but you won't regret having expectations for it. Oh, yeah. There is an extremely interesting human in this era. He reminds me of someone who inspires hope. Hmm?
Yes?
Huh? An interview? I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry. I'm a fool. I should have known. Here, take this case. I really don't want you to use it, but please live. Do you remember the tragic battle during the war between heaven and demons? I still remember why Sis did what she did. I know now, it was all for the sake of this world. That's why I want to honor that memory and carry on her wishes. You understand. Please listen to what I have to say! I'm an angel! Do you understand what I'm saying? I've come to give you a mission from God. Hayato, you're the chosen one. Why are you ignoring me? You're not imagining. It won't work. Angels can't be filmed due to God's protection. So, where is the case you were given? You didn't lose it, did you? Of course. Yes, this is it. So you you have it. I'll explain how to open and use it later.
Hey, newbie. What's this weird girl doing in the office? Oh, wait. Is she one of our readers? In that case, tell her to submit her leads to the Reader's Corner.
Who are you calling a weird girl?
You still don't have a story for the next edition. Every story you bring in lacks a sense of real... I told you before, didn't I? The occult always needs some... You need to do more legwork on your investigations. At this rate, the next ghost story we're going to investigate will be our own magazine. You're supposed to laugh. So what I'm saying is, go investigate something. Don't come back to... You too, weird girl.
What an obnoxious guy. Hey, wait for me! Nothing's more important than a... Hold on, at least take...
What's that? I don't want to deal with this.
Oh, Hayato, it's you. Haven't seen you in a while. Need me to fix it? It doesn't look broken. Oh. What's that case you've got? Let me see it. Are you, by any chance, trying to make a fool out of me? Jeez, you sure brought a rare item. Though I don't know how it got in your hands. I'm not going to lie. It's in your best interest to just get rid of it.
Grandpa, do you know about this case?
Let's just say it's Elder's intuition. And I'm not going to talk about it. I couldn't care less about who you are either.
What? Who are you?
I'm just an old fart from a camera shop who likes to fiddle with machines. Don't stick your nose into my private life. It doesn't look broken. Since nothing was wrong, I won't charge you this. Oh, and I fixed your tripod. Take it.
Hey, newbie, you're not slacking off, are you? I got a new lead for you. Do you know the bathhouse called Maka Spa? It's in Hyaku Nincho, on the outskirts of Shinjuku. I hear samurais live there. It's known for its ghost stories, but now people are saying that they saw an angel. Why is everybody suddenly talking about angels? Like that weird girl earlier. It was probably just some steam. Just get some pictures and interviews. All right, I'm leaving this all up to you.
Hey, buy something next time, all right?
What do you want? We're not open right now. If you want to take a bath, come back in 2 hours. So you want to interview me, huh? An angel? Well, I'm basically like an angel. Maybe someone just made a mistake. I'm joking. I have heard that rumor from customers, but I'm busy preparing the shop right now. Come back another time.